Moon Magic, a cinematic quest. Scout and Kepler had a plan, not a play plan or a snack plan, a documentary plan. Tonight, said Scout, pointing to the silver glow outside, we make Moon Magic, a cinematic quest. First, they needed supplies: a camera, a plastic toy, a tripod, a stack of books, and very important moon rocks, a pile of gray painted pebbles. Kepler checked his list twice. Their set was ready. A sheet draped over 2 chairs became a star-studded backdrop. A desk lamp became their powerful sun. Scout wore her best Space Explorer vest, and Kepler clicked the record button. "Action," whispered Kepler. Scout smiled into the lens. "Hello, future space travelers. I'm Scout, and welcome to our show, where we discover the secret life of the moon, our cosmic neighbor." "Did you know the moon is covered in bumps called craters?" Scout explained. "They are giant dents from space rocks, crashing down millions of years ago." Kepler adjusted the camera for a close-up. "The moon isn't always round," she continued. "It likes to play hide-and-seek." Scout held a baseball and a flashlight. She showed how the sunlight made the moon change shape. Kepler added, "If you were on the moon, you could jump 6 times higher than on Earth. That's because the moon's gravity is much smaller." He prepared to test this amazing fact. Scout landed with a quiet thump. "So much to see, so much to learn." She gave a final, professional nod. "This is Scout, saying goodnight to the moon and good day to Discovery." "And cut," called Kepler, pressing the stop button. They rushed to the couch to review the footage. Watching their dock back, every pebble looked like a mountain, and every jump looked like a giant leap. The next morning, the documentary set was put away. "Next time," yawned Scout, "we need a documentary on the giant fiery sun." Kepler, already packing snacks, grinned. "Let's grab our gear and go."